buddies, Jaromsz here.
So for today's video, we are going to do a tutorial on how to register on eTravel via eGovPH. First, you must have an eGovPH app and it should be verified. You can watch on our channel on how to register. Once you have the app, click it to open. Then enter your MPIN. Just click the travel logo. After that, you will be redirected on this page. Just take a photo of your passport. Just click confirm if the photo is clear. After that, you'll be redirected on this page. Just input the issue date and click confirm and save. Next, click OK. You will be redirected again on this page. Just click the travel logo again. So you will be redirected on this page. Just fill out your personal information and click next. For the step 2, you just need to input your address information and click next. For the third step, you will see here all the information that you have filled out. Double check everything, and if it's all correct, click submit. eTravel is required upon entering or before leaving the Philippines, so you need to choose here if you are going to arrive or depart. Also, if you are traveling via air or sea, and if you are doing the form for yourself or for others. After that, you'll be redirected on this page. Just fill out the travel details and flight information. For the purpose of travel, you have selections here. For the traveler type, you can just choose aircraft passenger if you are a passenger. Once everything is okay, just click next. After that, you need to answer some questions here and then click next. So this is the last part. Double check all the details again, and then if everything is okay, just click submit. So that's it. You are already registered with the eTravel. You can just screenshot the QR code for your reference. You will also receive a confirmation via email just like this.
So that's it for today. See you next tutorial, buddies.